Okay, so we're at the Ipswich AP, and I've got some pupils here who were really doing this video for Lisa for their TA, because she said on one of the previous videos we did here, is that horseradish? And I said, no, what I'll do though is I'll find some horseradish and I shall grab it, and it grows on the side of the road. So this is horseradish. What I'm going to do is just going to break it. You guys know what horseradish is, don't you? Yeah? No? So you get it as a sauce, put it on beef. Really, really good for vitamin C. If you've got a bit of a cold, it's really strong and it basically clears your sinuses rather quickly. So I know about sensory problems, so just go easy. Have a little smell. What do you think? All right? You like it? Good. What about yourself? Do you want to keep it? Yeah, you keep it there. Right. So, do you know what? I've just got to say this, and it is very impromptu. Last week, you wanted to puke, and this week, you like it. Bonus. Okay. So what we're going to do is we get this, and we're going to make some cordage out of it. So we get a piece of bark there, and I'm just giving it a whack. Now you are going to be smelling, guys, quite a lot of different aromas, like a peppery sort of smell. Again, I know a lot of you have some sensory issues. If you do, just go out of the way there, okay? So, oh, I just broken that one. So we're now going to open this up, and we're going to start peeling some of this off. And when you do this, do not scratch your eyes. How do I know? Because I did it. Not your eyes, my eyes. So what we've got is we've got some fibres. Oh, that is strong. Let's get a few more. So if you have a quick look, they've got the strands here from inside of the horseradish. Yeah, have a look. You can't keep them ones. Okay, so what I'm going to do, we normally dry them off, but we haven't got time now, so I'm just going to tie a loop at the top. And twist over to the right, over the left. I'm just going to twist. So when we're making the cordage, this one doesn't rip so much. So when we're doing the nettles and the lime, it does tend to rip. To make it a bit stronger, this is quite almost like elastic feeling when you're doing it. It's really strange. Makes a nice looking cordage. It's not always about looks though, is it? It's about whether it works or not. Okay, so I'll just do a few more and I'll just show the camera. I've got Reggie on the camera today. Now, what we'll do is we'll do this one because Lisa's putting a few things away. She's going to watch this later, and we'll give her this one for her books. Again, I don't think it'll work in a Kindle, will it? A bookmark. Do you reckon that's long enough? Yeah. I'm going to tie that off there. What I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to leave the strands at the bottom, because for me, I always like to know how it was made. It's much easier seeing how it was made. So I don't know how close. Yeah. What does it feel like? Something. String?
Yeah.
But a little bit more.
Like really thin rope.
Yeah, really thin rope. That's a wonderful way of explaining. So, right, thank you very much.